A very warm welcome to PwC News. Today we are gathered here at the Department of Biotechnology for the Parent-Teachers Meet. On 25th September 2025, the Department of Biotechnology organized a parent-teacher meet for the students of Semester 1 and Semester 3. The event provided a meaningful platform for interaction between faculty and parents, focusing on the academic progress, overall well-being, and future aspirations of the students. Faculty members highlighted their continuous efforts to guide students, not only in academics but also in co-curricular and personal growth. Parents actively shared their views and suggestions, and the department addressed their queries with openness and care. This exchange strengthened the bond between parents and teachers, reinforcing the shared commitment of supporting students on their path to excellence. Ma'am, why do you think it is necessary to hold a parent-teacher meeting for the students?
Okay. Today we have conducted a parents-teacher meet for the students of MSc Biotechnology for both semester 1 and semester 3. So we generally conduct the parents-teacher meet to discuss the academic, what they have performed in the mid-semester examination, how they are doing their assignments. So overall academic performance we discuss before the end semester examination, so that the parents can be aware of the performance of the student, and whatever is needed to make the performance better they can do in guidance of teacher as well as in the guidance of the parents. Also we try to guide them for their career in terms of national level examinations like CSI and NET, so that they should be prepared. Like semester 3 student will be appearing for the in December, so they should be very cautious about that. They should appear, and if the parents knows that, they also motivate the students for this particular thing. As well as for the semester 1 student, if they will be preparing for these kind of examination from now itself, so the parents guidance also will help in the overall development of the students. That's why this parents teacher meet is very important, and this interaction will lead for the students betterment.
The meet concluded on a positive note, reflecting the department's vision of nurturing responsible, confident, and future ready individuals. That was all for today. This was your host Adrita Shrivats with camera person Shafak Kainat. For more such updates, stay connected to PwC News.